I'm going to perform the denture cleaning procedure. So that's for that I will first wash my hand and then putting on the gloves. Okay, and now I will take the clean liner and put it in the bottom of the sink here. And I will fill the sink partially filled water here. I will check on the temperature. It should not be too much high. It should be the moderate. I will check on with my fingers here. Then I will grab the denture cup, take out the denture, and before that I will take the toothbrush here, wet it, and put on the denture toothpaste to it. Then I will rinse out the cold water to the sink. Grab the sink here, the denture, I will grab it, and now I will start cleaning all the surfaces here. I will make sure that I'm cleaning every surface of the denture. I will gently brush everything here on the surfaces, back of the denture. Okay. After the cleaning, I will rinse out the denture under the running water. Now I will with that wash my toothbrush and put it back in the basin. Now I will grab the cup of the denture. I will rinse it out once and fill with, and before filling with water I will put the denture first on the cup. Then I will fill out the water until the denture is covered with the water. Then I will take the lid and close the lid here. Then I will here. Now I will remove first the liner. Then I will clean out all these things first, and then I will remove my gloves. Then I will wash my hands. And then I will directly place this napkin to the trash can and scale complete.